Hello friends, peace be upon you. Friends, there is a problem on YouTube. When you open YouTube, and then go to YouTube Studio, as I am in the studio right now. So dashboard or content is doing all this. But as soon as you click on earn, so it's not showing your earnings here. Earlier there used to be a show here which is not happening now. There was a cyber attack 3 or 4 days ago, due to which Dubai i.e. UAE was affected. America and Europe were also affected, due to which many flights were cancelled. Maybe this is the effect of it, but there is no need to panic. Your watch page ads are active. Short feed ads are also active. Only you are not seeing the earning here. I hope YouTube will fix this issue soon. And this problem is not only in Pakistan, or not only in India. This problem is happening all over the world. I hope this issue will be resolved soon. There is no need to panic. Just chill, and if you like the video then like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.